Treat yourself to a test drive in the 2015 Jeep Patriot. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine. Jeep infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as a rear window wiper, a tachometer, an outside temperature display, front fog lights, a roof rack, and a split-folding rear seat. You and your passengers will enjoy the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability and 4 well-positioned speakers. Jeep also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, and ABS brakes. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. We are here to help you.